This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Firebase's integrated development experience versus Visual Studio Code. We will delve into the distinct functionalities each offers, helping you understand their primary roles in modern application development. Firebase provides a comprehensive backend platform, while VS Code serves as a powerful, general-purpose code editor. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of when to leverage each tool for maximum efficiency in your projects, considering their unique strengths and features. Firebase provides a robust, integrated platform for building and scaling web and mobile applications. It offers a comprehensive suite of backend services, including real-time databases, authentication, cloud functions, and hosting, all managed through its intuitive console. Developers can leverage Firebase emulators for local testing, significantly speeding up the development cycle. This ecosystem is particularly strong for rapid prototyping and deploying serverless solutions, allowing you to focus on your application's front end and core logic without extensive backend infrastructure management. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, stands out as an incredibly versatile and powerful source code editor. It supports virtually every programming language imaginable, thanks to its extensive marketplace boasting thousands of extensions. Developers benefit from intelligent code completion, robust debugging tools, and seamless Git integration, all within a highly customizable interface. Its lightweight nature, combined with its immense extensibility, makes it a preferred choice for writing, editing, and managing code across diverse projects, including those that integrate with platforms like Firebase. Ultimately, the choice isn't about one being inherently better than the other, as they serve different primary purposes. Use Firebase's integrated tools for managing your backend services, deploying serverless functions, and monitoring your application's performance. Conversely, Visual Studio Code is your go-to for writing, debugging, and organizing your application's source code, regardless of the backend. In fact, the most effective workflow often involves using VS Code to develop your application, which then seamlessly integrates with Firebase's powerful backend services. They are complementary, not competing, tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.